The Nissan Sentra. Show you where your cabin air filter is located and kind of how you change it. There's two ways of doing this. You can take the glove box out, which will make your life a lot easier. And the glove box is held in with some Phillips screws. There's 3 here, and there's a couple at the bottom at the glove box. I'm gonna take those out. Then you can just pull the glove box off and it'll give you more room back there. You don't have to do it because the cabin filter is right down here. It's located in this compartment that's right here. And the door just unclips down at the bottom down here. So if the glove box wasn't in your way, it'd make it a lot easier. You don't have to take it out, but you're just gonna pop it off here at the bottom, and it just flies off like that. So the filter is a lot bigger than that opening. You're gonna have to kind of crush it to get it out, okay? Which is pretty hard to do with the glove box in the way. You can do it. Let's see if I can kind of get it out here. It's actually not very easy to do it with a camera and the glove box in the way. So here. Let's see what I'm talking about here. Just gotta weasel it out of here. I'm gonna pull it all the way because it's pretty hard to put back in. To see how it fits in there. It fits in there all crazy. If you need one of these filters, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. I hope this helps out. And when you get your new filter, you're gonna have to kind of crush it up a little bit. Slide it in there, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Yes, it fits in there all nuts. Alright, get it in there. This one has that tab that helps you out a little bit. Get in there kind of straight. And grab your door. Wherever it fell off to. And it just clips on the top and on the bottom. It's pretty hard to do like with the camera. That's pretty much, oh there we go, I got it the first try. Very cool. Alright, well that's pretty much it. Hope that helped out.